To bind off using Kitchener stitch, we'll first need to leave a tail 3 to 4 times the length of the edge we're binding off. So I'm going to go around 1, 2, 3, just roughly. And then at this point, I'm going to break my yarn and thread my needle. I've threaded my needle, so now I can start setting up for Kitchener stitch. Now if I was going to knit another row, I would be starting here, so that's where I'm going to start binding off. So first of all, I need to go into the stitch on the front needle as if to purl and bring it all the way through. Next, I need to go into the stitch on the back needle as if to knit and bring that all the way through. Well, that's the setup done, so we can now start binding off. So insert your needle into the first stitch knitwise and take that off your needle, and then insert your needle into the second stitch purlwise and bring it all the way through. Now going over to your back needle, insert your needle purlwise and bring it off, and then insert your needle knitwise and bring it all the way through. And that's all we're going to be repeating. So just insert your needle knitwise, bring it off, purlwise and through. Then to the back needle, purlwise, bring it off, knitwise, all the way through. Now you can just tighten it up a little bit and keep working like that until you've bound off all your stitches. So knitwise off, purlwise on. Purlwise off, knitwise on. Now I've got to the point where I've just got 2 stitches left on my needles, so I'm just going to go through as if to knit on the first one, through as if to purl on the second one, and then take them off my needles and then bring that all the way through. Now this final edge is a little bit loose, but I'll be able to tidy that up when I weave in the ends. But that's our tubular bind off complete.